UUDS AERO is a design and certification company, and we manufacture a range of aircraft cabin equipment. One of the biggest challenges was managing the entire value chain from design to realization, manufacturing, and the delivery of certified airworthy equipment, encompassing both data management and industrial mastery in order to maximize quality, lead times, and costs. We chose the 3D Experience platform to validate the design and certification steps of our products. We consulted MBA Innovation, which is supporting us with excellent project management methodology and expertise on the platform. And we use the cloud because it gives us easy access to information wherever we are, with cybersecurity tools and intellectual property protection by Dassault Systèmes. The solution allows us to share information and communicate with our clients and our supply chain. The platform supports our development in terms of structuring our cabin furniture business and innovation to improve our operational performance. I would say that it's really continuous improvement because we are interested in artificial intelligence, which is beginning to integrate into the platform, such as the ability to automate a number of data transfers from design to manufacturing. And it's my wish to launch new projects to expand the use of the platform and its functionalities.